Hi. Who? This is awkward.
This is very awkward.
I'm Maddie.
Hi, Emery.
It's right there.
That's Gavin.
That's Gavin.
She's not here yet. We're at the Lyric. Are you FaceTiming someone?
Yeah, no.
Oh, it's a video. I'm making a video.
That's Gavin right there. That's Amory. And Abby, put your head in there.
I don't want to put my head. Hey, what's up?
That's Abby. Hi. She's a bird.
Birds have wings coming out of their head. Sometimes.
Only pigs.
Hey, everybody give wide eye, freaky face.
Okay, here's my. Okay.
Judah. 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 This is Judah's face.
I'm gonna do my snobby.
Gavin's just. Be like, wait, I'm crushing Anne-Marie's. Don't crush my little fingers. What was that?
Llama. Goose, goose, duck, duck.
Oh, well, we're gonna go, guys. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Posting